Oh, Senior, her bag was rain. Come on. Give me a bag. Wow. I say bag look heavy. How's that day at work? You know, so I cook your favorite. As a matter of fact, my hurry up and go short. I'm have a good evening plan for you today. Come on.
Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy the man. Jimmy!
Yo, General.
Come here, link, boss. I got me.
You know, say I did me day upon a little, I did that thing.
So I got man.
That's the word. That's the word. Come on.
I am a boss. Link him up. Link. Link.
This morning.
Babes, you know, so I have to just jump in on them early, man, because that's how the thing go down, so, you know. Yeah, man, I jump in early, you know, I can go down and sit down and relax and ease myself, and then, you know, so in the evening time, I can left early too. You understand? Yeah, man, but I don't know, man, I soon forward, man.
Babe, nobody got no work today. Right now, I'm in the mood and, you know, so we are working on something for a long time, so come on, nobody got no work. You said I know. Come meet you on the road? Alright, may I come? I know. Alright. You know, I'm cooking dinner, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, but more you hurry up and shower.
Yeah.
And eat. And I have something for you.
Talk about that, I know, babes. What you have for me, I know.
It's what we're saying, baby. You will find out soon enough. James.
Go on, babes.
Do you have something to tell me?
What that? I don't know what you're talking about. What you're talking about now?
You sure about that?
Yeah, man.
James. What is this? Oh. So you don't start your liberty now, you're dumb. I can't talk. Alright, so. James, what is?
What days you have one paper flashing here? Oh, if you know what? I can't know what that. I just see paper flash.
You got that for your result. And you hide it from me. So I don't mean this relationship by you alone. Let me try to see. Because whatever I read from this paper, you have to be certain. You have to be sure about this. Come talk to me, come in if you know if what me see right, come in and read this with no glasses, you know. And feel you have carrot vision, 20-30 vision, something. No one, no. Talk.
Babes, you know, say, tell you the honest truth. I just forget to tell you. Because you want now, the day when me carry up, you know, when me come in with it, you never there, you're the Ghana market the day. So, and me come in with it and then now rain a fall. So, me just go put it down in there. And then now me have to go deal with the animal and now say, you know that. But, so when me come back up, God know me never remember you, man. But me never do hide it from you, man. Me have to show you it. Me have to show you that, man.
You see what your results say? Me don't even know if I see right to granny back. No, sir? 0.00. Them a zero longer than my bank account number to granny. No, sir?
Yeah, you know if you go on, so man. Take time to talk, no, man. I don't like they say we don't have no chance. We still have a chance, and you have to have faith in, man. we still have a chance, man. Nobody go on someone and make it look so, man, and make it look bad all for me too. You don't have to make me look so bad, babes, man.
But James, we have planned this for years. Months, sleepless nights, all this.
You want me, I know, babe. His son I get red power here, so. So make a grow now back for a reason, now I cool shit.
Take a picture.
Yes, just want you to know, say, I know hide me eye not from you know. Yeah, me have it, but here what I'm now. And me know what I go on, and me know say a long time where I plan this thing. God know me I tell you, so I never even know if I put it here when we get it. Yeah, but me just want to find a right time and the right place and space, you know, to make you know the right thing. And but I don't hide nothing from you, man. And we'll make it thing happen. Yeah, we'll make it happen, man. Anyhow we can make it happen, we'll make it happen.
Make it happen. Them a 0 and 1, a 0 at the lower piece of chance. So much, look much pill we take. What we have to go now? Are that baby? Are this low, you know?
But babes, you can't just give up so, man. You can't just give up so, you know. Remember say all the reverend to come pray for we all and something, you know, man. We can't just give up so, man. We have our roots can drink to, you know. And the herbal doctor then we can check to, you know. We can't give up so, man.
James,
we give up so, man.
You know, look how long we are in a relationship now. You know, say it was I'm a dream to become a mother. I go to college, I focus, me do everything step by step, take it easy. Everything to become a mother. And this now, I wonder if I punish me.
But I just, you know,
James, let me ask you a question. Suppose I couldn't have no pitney and you want a son, your last opportunity to have a son. What you would do?
come on, babe. If I die in that case, we done married already, you know. So, I would just forget that and move on.
That's all lie. How do we kids, man? You mean to tell me so you not get a son yet and show me can't have pitney, you go stay with me? Oh no, wicked and lie now? Hold that.
No, babe, so you go on, so, man. Calm down, man. I tell you, see if you have faith in a man. Calm down.
Yo, Stefan. Hello? Yeah, maybe I wonder if I can call link you later. Alright.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, she's here, man. Yeah, man, I'm aware of it, man. She's here, man, and all that, we're there here, man. No matter of fact, we just want to say a whole little reason to, so we're there here, man. Yeah, a matter of fact, I'm going to remind her right now, too. Alright, yeah, man, thank you very much.
What going, Chris?
I'm there, you know, we say I'm going with. Long time I don't see you, you know. Thing good here.
So what happened? You don't miss me?
Boy, I be right now to let you, I miss everything about you. Too long I don't see you, it's like you move off my face like earth, you know. Too long I don't see you. And so I realize say you live comfortable happy life, you know, so you can't say anything, you know, so you just go and hold me one down.
You know, I say, I some problem I had on my yard, but I don't want your help. For a long time I work for it, it's like, nah.
No, sir, but this not sound good. So, you live happy married life and have problem in it?
Even happy marriages have problems, and not everybody perfect. As a matter of fact, me and James good, but I want a problem we have down our yard, and I'm not going to go ask anybody because I don't trust them like that. I did this so I can come to you, come ask you about this problem, or I can help me with this problem.
Well, now you still not tell me a problem because you still a grow on and come on like I said, a burden upon your head. So tell me why problem because if me can't help you more, I feel help you, you know, so just tell me why problem.
Alright. For a while now, me and James I try make a family. Right, so we take medication, we go doctor, we take all kind of thing, and it's like in our work. So I just come to you now to see if you can help me out. Because I don't know what else to do, who else to turn to but you. I start so, I'm done. Why? I can't turn on the thing, there's no machine that.
You know, come eat a little breakfast and I look bored around there. All the tea around there are cold, you know.
Can you say something I do? You can't talk about me coming, you know.
But babe, you don't want the tea free and the breakfast is cold out around there, man. You better you come get it hot. But anyway, still, since I say, that can't work, bro.
I said early it's a man who did this smoke ganja, man. No, man. I only plan days, me see what I know. You can find something you should do, man. You should do, man, one week. Find something, man.
Morning, sir. So who you? God, you see you just up like you're a pastor with Bible in your hand. Pastor supposed to approach people better than that, you know. So, I don't understand you. You come out say you do godly work and them the way you talk to people, man. I don't understand you, man.
Good morning. I'm sorry, sir. I apologize to you, you know. So, I invite you to church now. I invite you to church, you know, so when you come to church, instead of you sit down, remind me pass me see they rub you little weed and things. So instead of you sit down, so now come to church. Right, sir?
Man again, Pastor. I have a question for you, you know. See? Suppose when you did young, you have a girl and a man take him away from you. See? Turn around, married her. See? Live a house with her and thing, and when you check it, that man now come round and pop style upon your road and then wait there. You know? Then the CMB now I come back to you to get her pregnant. I want on the pastor, I left out something to you know. See? I don't want the man don't want to breed her, you know. See? I can't breed her. See? What you done the pastor? Just tell me. Tell me what you done about that. Come in and know me. Just tell me.
See, when we was a young boy, I take our man and breed our man. Now, in my church, I preach God word, I'm mother with that. Right? You see that situation you find out to me, my youth, if I know, I have nothing to deal with that. Right? No.
But babes, you know something I like when you look so, you know. You know, she said, you hear one touch up, man.
James, is that sweet, my kid?
You have got to touch up a little more, man. I want to see you hear a flash around me, you know. You hear?
I'm not talking, man. I'm not in a kitchen. So anything I do inside, go and work inside. You know why you want that?
Yes, you know, say forward you know and talk to you. Yeah, man, because you know, say you give me one attitude forward here, I wonder what happened to you. Can't talk to me for anything, you know, man. I remember say, I don't know if I look a result thing, I make your head stir up still. But anyway, I remember say, Pastor will come still, so I can come pray for you and give you a couple counseling. You understand? So if I that, I'm going to make your head work too much over that here.
Well said, Pastor, man. Well said, because that the answer me I look for still, you know. You know? Because guess what? You're not even in a situation, so you can't say anything. See? But to tell you the truth, that I go on, so that's why I have to go and burn my herbs in and go and all the medicine.
No, man. You don't have to burn no way. Now invite you to church. Me can show you a better way, man. Right? Come to church.
Yeah, man, me here. So, I went off your church. And which part of the church you keep, you know?
Right down my Broughton Road there. Nice square there. Right, sir?
Yeah, man, me here, Pastor.
James, I don't really think I understand, you know. I swear I don't think I understand how I feel. Right now, I'm in a mood, so just go back inside, yeah? Let me see if I can face it. Peace, man, peace, and quiet. Please. Do you think the pastor can help we, you know what we do?
Be, I want to be in here too negative, you know. You know, if it's so negative, you know. Because you want now, we have a lot of things can work, you know, a lot of things can happen. We have mental things, we have art. Yeah, Pastor. Yeah, man, welcome, man. Welcome, man. You can come inside, man. Come out of the sun, Pastor, man. Yeah, man, have a seat. Have a seat, man.
So, what do you do now, man?
Good,
You
you know.
know that, everything alright?
Pastor, we're there, you know. We're there going easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we're just there going enjoy the cool breeze. I just can't see sun hot, you know. So, you know, if you're there, we just go and hold it, you know. Yeah, man.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good. Alright, man, right. I understand now how the issue is going, right? So, when you show it to me, you what going?
So, babe, you want me to tell him or you want to tell him?
Tell him.
Yes, Pastor. You want now? A long time we are trying to start a family, Pastor. Long time we there and we are trying, we try everything and it does not work out how we want it to work out.
Pastor, you never put half of the story. So when you first start talk, you usually drink rum, you smoke all the soda, them in the panel like water, and nobody couldn't talk to him. See then now, and he make me can't get pregnant. I notice sun change in the bedroom. Normally, James, if you're honest with yourself for what I see, for you start smoke and drink up and sitting them, you're different, you're changed. There's a two. If me can feel it, you can feel it, okay, your body.
Pastor, nothing know about that, man. You have to go so far in, I think.
Let me talk. You want Pastor to come here? So I'm talking in peace. You want me breathe in peace?
I'm not for worry, man. I'm not for worry, you know. Let's go easy, man, and things will work. You never try artificial insemination. You ever try?
So, you know, no Christian, some Christian are supposed to against that. How you talk about artificial insemination?
The Bible don't have nothing to do with that.
As a matter of fact, I don't want to go the road there. I want to have everything natural. You can't. That's not my league right now.
But if that you want, that's your choice.
I don't see how sitting here talking to this man I go help with anything. I don't even know if a man have pitney. James, I'm tired. I work for a morning. I need a shower. I want to cool off. I want to rest. I want to sleep. So as a matter of fact, I'm going inside.
You babes are not fair going, so man. When the pastor come to talk to us. Pastor, now watch that, yeah.
You have to be careful with that woman there, no? That woman there, if you don't mind, somebody will agree with you.
Yes, Pastor. So you say you're leaving now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Take care of yourself.
I'm not going to leave.
Alright, sir. And you too. And the rain are coming up, Pastor. So hurry up and make it catch you, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You have to travel with umbrella when you are coming.
Actually, no, man. You like it rain how far with you. That's it, me can't reach up for it rain.
Now this time, you know, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. Hurry up, man. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Chris, 2 weeks now, you know. I don't know, I can't see no switch tongue. a matter of fact, just take a pregnancy test. I wait on the result. Negative. So you know what that means? You have to do this again.
Well, alright. So what you say, Adi? You can't check me or check you?
Me arrange the time, man. Me call you. Alright.
Alright, look a bit then. Yeah. Cool.
B, how are you in the salon, man? How are you going with? How are you do? In the salon, man.
Then I just tell us I never beard. Hand on my head.
Me out there with the pass for about 45 minutes to an hour, you know. Yeah, man, but me I say, I look here when me talk to you about you going in there and touch up. Why you know easy, you know?
What happened? You want to see? I feel you was in there, I can't take you up the door.
So, I know for your house too. My hair look nice too.
That's all I like.
So, you know, I like everything about you a long time, and I know.
What place you can prove it? I grew up with a girl in Angel, so come back.
Why you too? I say you're tired. I say you're going to road. And it's not easy.
How you tax them there? Sure. What time place that? Cause you come like say place that go like pan we you know. Tell me how look so.
Girl, from other day I try to get pregnant and at 2 weeks now I don't know see no symptoms, nothing. I don't know what to do. Me even take a pregnancy test and it's negative. But some people say sometimes they think it's not accurate. Boy, I just feel like I give up on this whole being a mother situation.
You know what I say? Since I say I take a pregnancy test and it come negative, you can try after 5 days time and see what you say. When I try to get pregnant, you know, and 1 month before I start seeing any symptom, you know, every minute as I want to go to the bathroom, go vomit, and a big green man go want, you know. Yeah, who will pass up, yeah, man. But I can't give up on being a mother. And I tell you already, just try pregnancy test 5 days after and you see result. But so one taxi will come. Taxi! Taxi! Anyway, also, I'm going to your sister, can you hear? Take it easy, because you know, say for stress, you only got me to work. But what you can do is, I tell you for experience, you can blend up some juice game, you can yeah, as me did I say, you can blend up some juice game, you can switch up your position them, because you can't go on with the one bag of same position them, you know. You have to switch them up. But anyways, I'm going to go up here, so I hear me link you. Alright, thank you. Later.
GMs. I'm going to do a lock. I'm going to finish it to you.
Go on.
Oh yeah, girl, like you go out so.
Yeah, say baby man, then you call me there, I wait for you. Right now I have to move go to the road, you know, because I have something if you deal
No,
with.
B, you can't leave. You don't know, so we have something to
You want to know, what I go deal is very important. So I have to cut go up the road. What we are going to do, you can't deal with come home, man. I soon come back. I not spend more like at least 1, 2, 3 hours deal with that. So I have to deal with that. I come back 3 hours. Soon come back, man. We can't do that. Come back, man. Here.
Really? Like really?
What is this? Oh, yo, where you going with that now?
James says I'm not going for 2 to 3 hours. They have to come now.
No, man, I can't link you to your yard, man. You're mad, man. So you know, man, you don't know, yourself, sir.
Wow, you like one trick him. I wonder how you like one trick him.
Sash.
Right, hey, all husband included in there. No, say when you're too nice, my God.
Yeah, man, like right now.
Alright. Yeah man, give me 5 minutes, me I come. Yeah man. Alright.
Aye.
That was my phone there. Yeah, I left it down there so start. Can't move. I get, once I set the gate up, I go on right now. So yeah, how fast you pass this? All you do a lot. Sash! Sash! How I go on in there? Sash!
You see the road? I'm not wearing none. Get him a caliber. Mommy! 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 Mommy!
Oi, so we all up my name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask you if you have good night on.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I'm save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure no plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. And I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired to talk to you.
Nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad, so.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody to come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
I come go in now. Me simply ask you if you go somewhere, come want to buy something for me. I come go. So, I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. You can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Again!
At the end. Oh, you're there.
Chanel,
Yeah?
come here there. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to cut the clothes off a line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. If you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I don't want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy there you go.
Your man I don't yard them young go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially, I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Red Chanel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off her line. Here. Alright, I want to be able to say it till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures and show me what man come get them. And I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in that bathroom and take some picture. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you? I just see your mother up the road. She said she go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you have to stop by. So like you have plans. So like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes them off the line. So where you go? Girl, I tell you say they told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch myself. And me alone can't go do nothing. Excuse me, and I don't food now so we can eat.
I'm going to pour some girls, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Boy. Baba, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good one.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much problem fine there.
have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she should stop by. But I'm not that fat today. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see it for me.
My friend has stopped by. I never know if she should stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! 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 Shall I call you? Chanel! Yeah! Chanel! Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there?
But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. You can't get to me and help him. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun act and talk about rain and go fall.
But they're nice, man.
Me have more on there, so look at juice here.
Thanks. I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Look at sun draws me up and little clothes and I take up and go and sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
I told the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
Out of the front. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry up.
Look dirty boy when she want to go with. Mwana, bola bola no. Mwana, family even move it. I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom.
How we are talking about, Abby? After I'm not going to do nothing, I'm going to town, I go.
You hear me? I want ya. The man that can't get nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want it and a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can't go and shut and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl in here town, I'm not going to do nothing.
She done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this?
Most of the boy them were listening up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there.
No, you know. No, if you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, I like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna laugh at me and for your money by it.
Me really just. Money for fix on my TV. Even though no one I get my 30,000 fix on my TV, but I want it back, you know. Because the TV around there, so I might look fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long now come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come, hey,
I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? But I can't fool she's not war over and mash up on my TV. What really a fight over? You ain't talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened? You don't matter if you want to talk about this. You don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on? You have to plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what go on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket I go fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must pull she soon now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I fool she soon now war over and mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Fly high, fly low, and I forget about that.
Hello? Hello? Sorry for the fight. Really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, I have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. Nothing, no. No, something wanting. How I don't know. I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about? Yes, him same one. I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this? My mother can know about him. Remember say me young. My mother can't know about this. So what you plan for do? Keep it or dash it away? Me I keep it. I don't have no money for dash away pitney, so you feel like you're ready for one pitney? I'm not ready for nothing because right now I'm now work, and if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm doing. The best advice I can give after dash it right now. I don't have no money, you give me some money? I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do. Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work, plus, girl, my mother can't. So what you going to do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage. Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do. And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
Babes, what going? But then, you don't miss me? Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar you know for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say, my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you girl, man? I don't tell her the yard.
May I come to mother, yeah? Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you, I'm not tell you say this for the yard. Eh? Much time tell her the yard. Anyway, my friend there when I go down I was streaming and I go collect little food for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me, you see?
Alright. Hello? Oh, that they know. I'm switching. Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Nothing, no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see it. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out how you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl, let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that may I tell you. Hey, me even talk. You say if you ever breed now this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. or go to town go sell bag juice because you're not staying here with it. And that may I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for doing that house. No! And I make me talk twice. Me, must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big? Eh? I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. I would have. How are you? Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there, be something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me I have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something you check on the phone. Something you check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper here the information. We're gonna call it the something. 160,000. Not $1 less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it?
Girl, not for me if tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this for long. I can't keep that secret here for long. I say your belly I go show you know.
Mother don't say girl, come here, you want my mother to hear.
You stand there. You're lucky on me. Anyway, take it to I go find her.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I need to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, how are you? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell him the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I'ma dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like some for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy, for dash with the belly.
Girl, you're mad. Mama me I collect the money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out. But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. But just ask me to ask. Okay, I know you could have never ask that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
I'm not gonna do this one.
Dead! Yo, dead!
Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, no bother with that, Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo. John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother. You see me? Well, yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, you see me? Alright now on a live cash permanent fund. You see me I say? But yeah, what go on? I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me? Because my girl for the youth something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that time, I tell you honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, I today I want the money, I today, Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I get my money still. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide say yo you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, I forgot to still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you say my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time I ask for, you see me? I don't know if I go on to dog, I meet the whole neighbor with more business dog. Watch nothing man, I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time I hear a friend.
I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say a woman come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as a last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to the right, so I'm not going to
that's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man say, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. You start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. And you say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because it look like you dig your own grave. Now worry yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. But, yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy. Boy, some food in the bar. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man. Give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? One chat table. See if we can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know it. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in. You see me I say? I just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready for move. You know?
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the man could say when man got done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, we have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you even know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery for body.
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to mommy, you know, same thing.
Is you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleep last night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, you know. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything are good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What that?
remember to pay your mother the money.
Yeah.
Now go down, go change and come.
Yo. I know who this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. No, say you're breathing. I know you know why your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you going to do? I know say you're collecting some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you how to work. Now here what I got. I know say you're getting some money, you know. So here what you do? I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach now. Just make sure so you do what I tell you, you see me? I'm serious them way the man you got dead.
Alright. I'm gonna get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man? Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Hey, baby, come as fast as me could want.
You know, you know what I'm saying? That piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over the phone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's a 50 grand. I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what me I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it, man. Me find out your deals. Everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then you move a type of way, you see me?
But differently not be, you know, so I think of some sort out you want, you can call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What the fuck coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come cross me. No. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me, around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me, you. I just run come did something, so I just stash it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up at the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
But that sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests you know. Yo, which color you talk about?
You know there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a wild ghost chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say the color. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? I whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? I'm gonna make sure I sort out your thing because I want just want off my brain. So I say just go easy man, you see me? You know, if you bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. See there? The 2 phone them. I'm a car key. 2 phone I'm a car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But when I told my head go sometime, let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if I put it in this card. No sir. No women the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause here now, mark my words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say you put the money under the mattress. What nobody not come about me and Chanel there? But Chanel give me money, I put it on there. You know, say I'm going to ask Chanel. I say I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to say
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner for me the money on the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I got to take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and now. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look girl, my money there, you don't know for my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey girl. Hey girl, where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl me say my money there? You don't know for my money there. Hey, me you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need no, because she's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me I saw? Breathe out, why you have to breathe? Wait, back one.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look at the camera. You can't put on me, but nobody knows
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? Oh, you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see you? Straight to this. I don't know a thing, guys, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Ease yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister, them seeing yeah, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, me.
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Bojo, the 1 and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them gonna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the fair, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Well, pause it, cool. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
She come here.
Action.
Stop that shit.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me to tell yourself she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going, no? You know, so I treat my run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
I'm done, sister. She asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. And action.
I know say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV. You don't know. Over here, so there. Yeah, man. In the east. Yeah, more you see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy, Boyd Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, don't the same.
Don't sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm more.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to you. So yes people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see. Will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.